Oh. What are you going to call him, Theo? Is it a parrot, do you reckon, Mum?
He's a macaw, I think.
Is a what?
Macaw.
What's that?